Sam, what can I do for you?
Just want to ask you, if somebody wakes up and they see, how do you differentiate between mani and Mathi? How do you know which is which? Like, if you're doubtful on which one, do you still do ghusl or do you ignore it?
Mani has a specific features in it that when you wake up, first of all, it is in far larger quantities than Mathi, which is prosthetic fluid. Mathi, it comes in few drops, 1 or 2, maybe 3. And it's light and it's not, it's water-based. So when it dries, it just leaves a white mark, but it has no mass to it. While Mani, it comes in a larger quantity. When it dries, it has a smell of rotten eggs, and it is like plastic. You can see that there is mass to it, and it's white. So there is a huge difference between the two. Muhammad from Montenegro.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
So Sheikh, I'll try to keep it short. I converted recently to Islam, alhamdulillah, and I'm trying to avoid all sins. But before I knew about Islam, I've been working as a music producer for 4 years, and I even dropped out of college to pursue music career. Now, since my conversion, I stopped listening to the music completely, alhamdulillah, and I stopped producing any music, but I still receive monthly royalties from songs that are on music platforms. And that is my only source of income as of right now. And I know it's 100% haram, no doubt. I know that music is haram. So my question is, does consuming haram and clothing from haram and eating from haram affect all 5 pillars of Islam? Or is it only Hajj, Zakat, and Dua that won't be accepted by Allah? Jazakallah khair.
Wajazak. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, that He has guided you to accepting Islam. And this, by far, for you as an individual, is a pure selection from Allah to choose you from all others, from all artists, from all people indulged in haram. Allah chose you specifically to save you from hellfire and from this haram line of work. So praise be Allah. Praise be to Allah, the Almighty, that guided you to Islam, and all praise due to Him that He showed you that this haram work is haram and you avoided it. Secondly, what happened in the past is gone and is forgiven, and you've started a new chapter of your life. It's clean, no sins. Regardless of how heinous the sins you've committed in the past, it's gone. Thirdly, the income that is generated from haram is haram nowadays. So whatever you made in the past is halal for you. But whatever is generated after you accepted Islam and you came to know that this is haram income, now it becomes haram. Whatever royalties you get, this is haram money. You have to dispose of it in means of charity to the Muslims. But if I'm in need, I am stone broke, Sheikh, I don't have a job, I don't have anything, charity is halal for me. In this case, the royalties you get, you may take from it whatever sustains a normal standard of life adequate for the likes of you, until you find a suitable job, a halal job. The rest of the royalties, you throw it in means of charity. And a footnote, to those whom have contacted me and I told them about sponsoring Ask Zad, this program, to cleanse their wealth, and they've contacted info@zad.tv, and they have donated money. I say to them, and I shout out to them, may Allah Azza wa Jal reward you, and may Allah cleanse your wealth from all haram income and substitute it with halal income. Because you have taken the right path of purifying your wealth and going to the right path bi'idhnillah azza wa jal. So for you, Muhammad, you can take whatever sustains the normal standard style of living without any extravagance until you find a substitute and a good halal job. Then you have to take it all and throw it away in charity. May Allah azza wa jal provide you with halal provision and halal rizq until you are happy and satisfied.